Welcome to the world of table settings. Each occasion calls for a unique arrangement that creates the perfect dining experience. At a brunch buffet, utensils are kept to a minimum, with serving spoons for easy self-service. For a cozy lunch setting, simple yet elegant plates and bowls with polished cutlery and cloth napkins. Water glasses for a refreshing drink complete the setup. And in a world of luxury, a formal dinner table is where opulent tableware reigns supreme. From intricate chargers and ornate flatware to sparkling crystal stemware, every element exudes elegance and refinement. The language of dining is a visual symphony, with the gentle start of a meal, a pause to appreciate each flavor, the anticipation of the next dish, the satisfaction of excellence, the acceptance when a taste doesn't quite suit, and finally, the graceful finish marked by the resting of silverware.